Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the CHIONE dehumidifier in the box. You get a user manual. Next up, we have our app and setup guide. Then, we have our nice power cable manager right here. And we have an included hose for the pump with a 1/4 inch outside diameter. This CHIONE 4,500 square feet dehumidifier is able to remove over 50 pints of moisture a day and adjust humidity from 35% to 85%. With Energy Star certification, this machine meets high standards of efficiency performance to provide you savings. This is an exceptional dehumidifier for large basement, laundry room, or just about any other large space. Quiet enough for use in bedrooms to maintain both healthy air quality and a relaxing environment. Let's look at that in more detail so you can see the dehumidifier from the front with their logo and removable reservoir, which is amply large 1.6 gallons, easy to take in and out, and has a flat bottom so you can easily balance the draw while you pull it out. That prevents accidental spills. You can see we have our nice indicator to letting us know when the reservoir is full. 360-degree rotating wheels, very easy to move this around. The durable caster wheels, ergonomic handle, and lightweight makes the CHIONE dehumidifier a highly portable product. We can look at it from the back side. You can see our removable filter right here. The dehumidifier has a filter cleaning notification light. After 250 hours of use, the filter light automatically turns on. Users should turn off the light and remove filter for washing. We have our continuous drain options that if we want to attach a hose, we can do that. Then, we have our pump hose option right here with instructions about how to connect the hose to it for you. Before we power on and try out the units, let's install the bracket. You can see how I can install it. You just press it right in place, and now we can wrap our power cord around the units. Here's a look at the top of the unit. You can see our control panel right here with all our different buttons and indicator light. First up, we have our power button followed by our humidity button, timer with on and off right here. Then we have turbo mode, continuous mode, comfort mode. Then we have our filter reset and Wi-Fi button followed by our pump button right here. You can download the app for iOS or Android and install quickly, and setup is easy and intuitive to use. First of all, create an account and log in. Then turn on Bluetooth to search the device, follow the graphic instruction to complete setup. In the app, you are able to control the fan speed, set up operating time, check the current humidity level, and adjust other functions remotely. The unit stops working when full and illuminates the light so you can easily empty, replace the tank, and it will kick in working again. If your dehumidifier isn't being moved, then a drain hose can be useful as a way to empty the unit without lugging that full tank of water around the house. The unit comprises of a large water tank that can store up to 1.6 gallons of water every day. However, this product being a 50-pint dehumidifier may require frequent emptying of the water tank. Thus, the drain hose method would be a much better option to enjoy stress-free dehumidification. Place the dehumidifier on a smooth level, flow strong enough to support the unit with a full bucket of water. Allow at least 8 inches of air space on all sides of the unit for air circulation.